Hey folks, this is Ash again. Today is Thursday, July 15th. So I'm at the lot right now, and so this mini truck is a 96 Suzuki Carry. It's a 5-speed 4x4. It has 114,000 kilometers. It has a very nice ride, but has a lot of mileages on it. In any case, so a customer called me about 3 weeks ago, wanted to buy this Mini, and then a couple days later he sent a check. So we were just waiting for the check to clear. The check cleared last week, and then it was just a time for us to wait for the trailers to come in. So today the trucker is here. He's put it up on his bed right now, and he's going to be driving it far from here. It's like he's got a long ride, very long ride. So this is our customer from far away. So we have customer from basically all the states nearby to us. We are in New Jersey, so New York, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Connecticut, upstate New York. We had people from Virginia, West Virginia, New Hampshire. So we have customers from all those states. This customer is very far away. Just to give you an idea, this customer is from near Texas. In any case, so sold the Mini. The guy's picking it up today. Hopefully the customer will have it by Monday, probably Monday or Tuesday. So just another video to show you what is just sold or what is just picked up. And then as I'm turning around, I can show you what we have left right at this moment. So on the left hand side we have a 94 Honda Acti 4x2 with AC, 92 Daihatsu Hijet 4x4, 94 Honda Acti 4x4 with AC. Then we have a 96 Sandbar turbocharged 2004 Honda Accord, 96 Mitsubishi Delica, 94 Mazda Miata, 94 Suzuki Carry 4x4, 89 Suzuki Carry, 96 Mitsubishi Pajero Junior, and then on the side over there we have a 96 Suzuki Carry. So that's all we have available at the moment. The rest of our vehicles have been sold. So just a video to show you what we currently have. We have more stock coming next month. As we get new stock, we will let you know. Until next time, folks, thank you so much. Take care, and we'll be back with another video. Thanks.